Alright, next we have a 3-bend saddle, and going to change our angle to 45 degrees. Start our conduit at 9 feet above finished floor. And we're going to go down to 7 foot. Make sure it won't slope. As you can see here, I can't draw, so I have to go a little past the wall. And one thing you need to make sure is that you give yourself a flat spot, big enough, because when we go back up, if you don't have enough room on that flat spot, Revit will not be able to draw or continue on. So we then come back here, delete, and then we can push in the conduit. See, we get it to the right place. If you have existing conduit, at 9 feet, and the way you handle this is that you would go to modify, you break it, delete the conduit in the middle, and basically just create similar. Start a little bit and do the exact same thing. Go down to 7 foot. Make sure you have a little flat spot. And then come back up to 9 feet. And delete. And then trim. And 3-bend saddle.